Welcome to Lead Magno, your all-in-one solution for digital marketing success. Whether you're capturing leads, nurturing prospects, or closing deals, our digital marketing engine simplifies it all. In this training, you'll discover how to harness the power of automation to save time, streamline your operations, and drive growth. Start by capturing leads effortlessly. Our platform provides you with customizable landing pages, forms, calendars, and surveys. Connect with your audience using inbound phone systems and ensure no lead slips through the cracks. Automate your follow-ups like a pro. With Lead Magno, nurture your leads through email campaigns, SMS, voicemails, and more. Set triggers to send personalized messages and engage your audience at the perfect moment. From scheduling appointments to collecting payments, our built-in tools make closing deals a breeze. Monitor your progress with robust analytics and track every step of your sales journey. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks and hello to productivity. Our automation tools let you focus on growing your business, completing tasks efficiently, and delivering exceptional customer experiences. LeadMagno is designed for businesses of all kinds, from real estate agencies and coaching firms to e-commerce stores and legal services. If you're ready to streamline your processes and grow your business, LeadMagno is the tool for you. Ready to revolutionize your business? Start your 30-day free trial today with no obligations or contracts. LeadMagno, where growth meets simplicity.